It was named Ghijwan,
This village was named Ghijwan,
and there was a big sheikh from the descendants of Imam Malik rahmatullah alayhi.
There was a
The
big sheikh from the descendants of Sayyidina Malik,
Imam Malik.
Imam Malik,
Yeah.
rahmatullah alayh.
He was murid of Khwaja Abu Yusuf Hamadani rahmatullah alayhi.
He was the murid of Sheikh Abu Yusuf Hamdani, rahmatullah alayh.
He spent his lifetime here in this village,
He spent his lifetime here in this village,
and he was one of the very big mashayikh of our silsila.
and he is one of the big mashayikh of our Salasila.
In his life, he met Khizr alayhi salam many times, hundreds of times.